Create a new campaign. I'll set conversation.
So I'm having these services performed at region or as located.
Okay, I'll set. So, um,
I would like it to be Georgia or Atlanta, like a 50-mile radius of my spa.
okay, state.
Yeah, Georgia. You could just type in Georgia.
Only Georgia.
Yeah.
So only Georgia selected. Okay. Can you see? Hello.
I see it.
Okay. Then language English only, and only female,
Yes.
and age
18. Yeah, 18 and up.
18 to 14.
Yeah, 25. All of them except 13 and 17.
All. I select this all.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What is your daily budget at $30?
Yes.
And so how many days you want to set this ad?
Until August 31st.
31st. Wait. 8. Siddha. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Then it's specific time. So we will select. বারোটা 11টা 10টা 12টা 11টা 10. This is your ad timing. Okay, only 9 at night. You cannot. Which I select, all day or specific time?
All day is fine.
Okay, all day. Okay. Then optimization goal, conversation. Okay. Lowest cast curve. Okay. Then next. Oh no. Shit. Then upload from library. So I only select this 150 uplift filter, okay?
Okay.
Then
Lift them,
give me the text.
lift pressures all month.
Please send it in Zoom box. I don't understand. Write in Zoom box. Are you writing?
Yep.
Okay. So can you see the call to action button? Learn more, book now, contact us today, book appointment now, book in.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then I'll set here. Control C. Okay. So everything okay, right? Hello?
Mhm. Yes, I'm here.
So I'm submitting, okay?
Okay. You might be some in the bottom of that thing.
Okay, this ad was created and I hope it will active within few hours.
Use the box to you put it in the box, and then you see that sharp part. That's how you put it. Just bring it in.
Okay. So this is your ad, okay? Hello?
Oh, yes, I'm here.
This ad will active within few hours and I hope it will work.
Okay, so then how do I delete this other one?
Sorry?
Yeah, I need to delete the other ones.
This one?
Yeah, because
So,
that one says lead generation, but I don't know where lead generation. How do I get the leads?
so lead will they will not come your website. They just fill up the form and you will get phone number, email, name.
Will they talk to my TikTok inbox?
No, 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 no. It will be maybe in your TikTok business manager page. In your TikTok business manager page.
Okay.
So
I don't know where to go for that.
so am I turn off this ad or it will active?
Yeah, it's active, but it's lead generation. I don't know the phone. Where will I go see the phone numbers at?
So I am turn off this ad. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So only one ad is run. It will run within few hours. Okay.
Okay.
So will you give me any orders in Fiverr? Hello.
Yes.
Share your screen. Will you give me any orders in Fiverr? Will you pay me now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Share your screen and go Fiverr. Okay. Go Fiverr and I'm sending you the go to my account. Go to my account. Click my account. Yes. Yes. Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. And yes, yes. TikTok ad campaign management. Can you see the TikTok ad campaign? Yes, yes, yes. This one. This one. Okay. Please premium package only for ad setup. Click the premium package. Yeah. Then continue.
You gonna charge me $50 for that?
So how much you give me? How much?
I mean, we was only on the phone for, let's see, 30 minutes.
Okay, okay. Give me standard package. Give me standard package. Standard 30.